ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன். Good evening everyone. Good evening everyone. So good evening everyone. Check my voice is audible first. Am I audible to you people? Post me a comment. You are audible, okay? Good evening everyone. Am I audible to you people? So please post me a comment so that I can see in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much. We will start the class in 5 minutes. We will start the class in 5 minutes. Before that, please give your attendance. Your attendance sheet will be posted. So please give your attendance sheet so that your attendance sheet will be posted. Sai Kiran, so attendance is posted now. Sai Kiran, you can check my comment, I guess. Your attendance is posted now in the comment section. So please go and give the attendance. In next 2 minutes, we will start the class. Okay. So today's concept reminder theorem is very important for TCS Ninja as well as digital as well as your AMCAT examination. So please make sure you prepare really well today so that you can easily learn the reminder theorem. Okay. Okay. So students, please wait for a minute. Our team will post you the updated attendance sheet. So please wait for a minute. You will get the updated attendance sheet in a minute. So please wait for a minute. So my dear students, now you can check the attendance link. It's being posted in the comment section. Please, you can see the updated attendance link. Please click the updated attendance sheet. You will get your attendance today. So please. Okay, by 4:12 we will start the class. Okay. Last one more minute. So everyone give the attendance. Everyone give the attendance in the Google form. So those who give the attendance in the Google form will be taken. Those who post your attendance in the comment section, it will not be valid. So please give the attendance in your Google form. Hi, good evening. So please give your attendance. People are coming late. Give your attendance faster. Okay. So welcome everyone. So today we will see very important concept, reminder theorem. So reminder theorem is very important because it's asked in a major top company called TCS. So even in TCS Ninja last year as well as digital. So in TCS Ninja as well as in TCS Digital, so reminder theorem plays an important role. So one important topic is reminder theorem. At least you can expect one question. So each question in your TCS carries, one question carries 3 marks. Just by learning this concept, you can easily get this mark. As well as in your Cognizant, CTS, Infosys, Wipro and all those examinations, even the reminder theorem is important. Okay. So here in CTS, Wipro and in Infi, the question might be mid-average level. It will not be very difficult or very easier. In CTS and Wipro, the question type in reminder theorem will be easier. In the case of Infosys, Infi, the question will be average question, not very easy or not very difficult. Okay. So all these companies will ask reminder theorem because reminder theorem is a very important concept. So we have to learn it perfectly. So how to learn it without any learning? It's theorem, but we will not learn the theorem. We will learn what is the how this theorem works, how to solve the problems in this theorem faster. That's all we have to do. So very simple. What we are trying to do is we will try to do how to solve the problems in this theorem as fast as possible. That's the logics we can apply in the problem and you can take the answers easily. Okay. Now, basically, what is a reminder? Okay. When 13 is divided by 7. When 13 is divided by 7, can I say reminder is equal to 6? 7 ones are 7, which is nothing but where balance is equal to 6. So in this entire theorem, we will target on only the remainder. We don't need the quotient. So divisor and remainder is what we require. We divide the given number by the respective divisor to get the remainder. So till now everyone has understood. Now same case. When 6 is divided by 7, 6 is divided by 7. 6 by 7, what is the remainder? Okay. So 6 by 7, what is the remainder? Is nothing but the remainder is 6 because 7 into 0. What is 7 into 0? 0. So you should not keep point and no point nothing. So you have to take integers. So what we will do is 7 into 0, which is nothing but 0. So the remainder is equal to 6. Have you understood the process? When the given number is less than the divisor, can I say 6 is less than 7? Obviously 6 will be the remainder. What will be 5 by 9 remainder? Remainder is equal to 5. What is 11 by 13 remainder? Can I say 11 is a smaller number than 13? Remainder is equal to 11. What is 14 by 13 remainder? What is 14 by 13? Can I say 13 ones are 13? Yes. So what will be the balance? 1. Balance will be 1. The remainder is equal to 1. Have you understood everyone? So what is remainder? Remainder is nothing but the excess. 7 ones are 7. Balance is equal to 6. Excess 6 numbers are there. That is equal to your remainder. Next, when a smaller number is divided by the greater divisor. So 6 by 7. So take 6 as the direct remainder. 5 by 9. Remainder is 5. 11 by 13, remainder is 11. 14 by 13, where 14 is greater than 13. So 13 ones are 13, balance will be 1, remainder is equal to 1. Have you understood the basic reminders, how to find the remainder? Okay. Okay. So what are positive reminders? What are negative reminders? Till now, whatever I have taught you till now, whatever I have been taught you till now is called positive reminders. So do negative reminders exist in reality? No. Do we have negative numbers in reality? No. We don't have negative number. Do you have negative 1 kg? Do you have negative 1 kg? No. Negative 5 kg? Number minus 5 as the number? No. So all these negative numbers are not existing in real. But what we will do? So these negative numbers are very important for our number system to solve the problem. Example, so you get 10 rupees from someone, when you return 5 rupees to them, so they have to minus 5. 10 minus 5 will be remaining 5. This is the use of negative numbers. Even same way, negative numbers are not existing. Even negative reminders are not existing in the reality. So you don't have negative reminders in reality. But why are you using negative reminders as the concept, sir? When negative reminders are used as the concept, so what we will do is negative reminders will give the answer faster for some problems, where positive reminder will give the answer faster for some problems. So we have to identify which part, even if I should use positive reminder for this question or negative reminder for this question. Identifying positive or negative reminder will give you the faster solution for any problem you do. Okay. Now, so we will start with what is positive reminder, what is negative reminder. Now, 13 by 7. So 13 by 7. How to find the positive reminder? 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. What is the balance? Balance is equal to 6. Remainder is equal to 6. When, have you understood the process, everyone? That is, when 13 is divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. Where balance is equal to 6. That is positive remainder called 7. Now, what is negative remainder of 13 by 7? When negative remainder of 13 by 7 is asked, positive remainder in the sense we will go for lesser number than 13. Positive remainder is called, you go for lesser number than 13. That is, what is the lesser number than 13? So 7 into 1 will give you 7. What is negative remainder in the sense? 13 by 7. 13 by 7. We go for 7 into 2. What is 7 into 2? 14. 7 2s are 14. But this, we cannot do it in this way. But this is just a procedure to solve the problem. This kind of division is not existing in the reality. 7 2s are 14. What is 13 minus 14? 13 minus 14 is nothing but minus 1. So negative remainder will be minus 1. So how to find the negative remainder? Negative remainder is nothing but take a greater number than the given number. 7 2s are 14. So 7 2s are 14. What is 13 minus 14? Minus 1. 7 2s are 14. What is 13 minus 1? 13 minus 14 is minus 1. Positive remainder in the sense, take a lesser multiple of the divisor. 7 ones are 7. So when 7 is divided by 13, 1 time. Okay, 7 2s are 14. That's why I am taking 1 time. So balance will be 6. Positive remainder is 6. Have you understood what is the positive remainder and negative remainder for this question? Now, let me ask you what is positive remainder for few questions. 14 by 6. 14 by 6. What is the positive remainder? Only if you understand all the concept clearly, we can do the sums faster. 14 by 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. What is the balance? Balance is 2. Balance is 2 is nothing but remainder is nothing but 2. What is the negative remainder of this question? 14 by 6. What is the negative remainder of 14 by 6? I will go for 6 into 3. 6 ones are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. Where 18 is a greater number than 14. So I will do 14 minus 18. What is 14 minus 18 will give you? Minus 4 is the negative remainder. Have you understood the process, everyone? So everyone, please wait, attendance will be shared shortly. Those who have not given the attendance, please give your attendance now. Hello everyone. Am I audible to you people? Okay, I am audible, right? Okay. Okay. So we'll see one last example. One last example for this one. Okay. 43 divided by 7. What is 43 divided by 7? Positive remainder. Positive remainder is 1. 7 into 6 is 42. 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42, where balance is equal to 1. 43 divided by 7, remainder is positive remainder is 1. What is negative remainder? 43 by 7. So 42 is a lesser number. So go for the next multiple. 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. So 43 minus 49. What is 43 minus 49? Negative remainder is equal to minus 6. Negative remainder is equal to minus 6. Okay. Someone is saying the answer as minus 7. Someone is saying the answer as minus 7. Sai Kiran, please check your answer. Answer is minus 6. 7 7s are 49. 43 minus 49. What is 43 minus 49? Answer is minus 6. It's not minus 7. Okay. Shall we start with the problem then? Okay. Okay, 15 power 43 divided by 7. What is the question number 1? Question number 1 is nothing but 15 power 43 divided by 7. Should we start the question? 15 power 43 divided by 7. Now what you have to do is divide 15 by 7. What is 15 by 7 remainder? 15 divided by 7. What is the remainder? So here positive remainder is equal to 1. So 15 divided by 7. 7 2s are 14. So balance is 1. So 1 power 43 divided by 7. 1 power 43 divided by 7. Now what is the value of 1 power 43? 1 power anything is nothing but 1. 1 power anything is nothing but 1. So 1 divided by 7. What is 1 divided by 7 remainder? What is 1 divided by 7 remainder? Remainder is equal to 1. Have you understood the concept again? Again I tell you. 15 power 43 divided by 7. Divide, this is a basic question. So we'll go first lesser difficulty, then medium level difficulty, then the highest level difficulty. 15 power 43 divided by 7. 7 2s are 14. So balance will be 1. So write the remainder. 1 power, what is the power given? 43. 1 power 43. What is the value of 1 power? 1 power anything is 1. Right? 1 power any value. I am not saying the unit digit, the entire value 1 into 1 into 1 is multiplied for 43 times, value will be 1. Okay, 1 power 43 is 1. When 1 is divided by 7, remainder is equal to 1. This is an example of positive remainder. Always we have to try to make the remainder as 1 or smaller numbers, 1 or 2 or 3, so that we will find the answer very faster. Okay, 1 or 2 or 3 easily, so that we can find the answer faster. Okay. 34 power 343. Okay. 342 divided by 7. Next question. See, 34 power 343 divided by 7. Now, now, shall we start the problem then? Everybody is ready? Give you 100% of the concentration. When 34 is divided by 7, when 34 is divided by 7, what is the positive remainder? 7 4s are, okay. 7 fours are 28. Am I right? 7 fours are 28. What is 34 minus 28? Where positive remainder is equal to 6. Where positive remainder is equal to 6. Positive remainder is a greater number. Now, try for the negative remainder. What is the negative remainder for the same question? 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. What is 34 minus 35? What is 34 minus 35? Where negative remainder is equal to minus 1. So, which remainder is smaller? Positive is smaller or negative is smaller? Obviously, negative remainder is smaller. If you solve with minus 1 power something, easily the problem can be solved. Okay. Now, so what is the remainder I use here is negative remainder. So what we will do here, so remainder here is when 34 is divided by 7, so 34 is divided by 7, 7 5s are 35 minus 35, 34 minus 35 where difference is equal to minus 1. So I can use the remainder as minus 1 the whole power 342 divided by 7. What is minus? Minus power even number. When minus is multiplied for even number, that is when minus is multiplied for 2 times, minus 1 into minus 1, obviously it will be a positive number. If the power is even, always it will be 1. Minus 1 divided by 7. Sorry, plus 1 divided by 7. Minus 1 into minus 1 will be plus 1. Plus 1 divided by 7. The remainder is equal to 1. Now, see the next case. We'll go to the next question then. What is the thing I am doing here? I am finding out how to apply negative remainder or positive remainder. I am giving you a thought process. When I use negative remainder, when I use positive remainder. When I use positive remainder, when the number is closer to the lesser multiple. That is, if the number is closer to 29, 28 I use positive remainder. The number is closer to 35. 35 is nothing but the greater number of 7 table. So I use negative remainder. 34 is a 35. 7 5 is 35. 35 minus 34 minus 35. The negative remainder is 1. Okay. Now we will go to this case. What is this case? It is given 34 power 343 divided by 7. Just by seeing 34, what you will use? You will use negative remainder. 7 5s are 35, where negative remainder is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 whole power odd number 343. When the number is multiplied for odd number of times, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, minus into minus plus, plus into minus is minus. So divided by 7. So final remainder will be minus 1 by 7. What is minus 1 by 7? You can ask me, sir, negative remainder. I am getting a negative remainder of minus 1 by 7. How to convert negative remainder to positive remainder is very simple. Minus 1, the value, take the remainder as minus 1 itself, add the divisor to it. What is the divisor? Plus 7. When you get a negative remainder, add the divisor to it. Minus 1 plus 7. What is minus 1 plus 7? Remainder is equal to 6. Have you understood both the concept? Please brush up once again. If you see this carefully, only if you understand this carefully, and you have to choose, should I use negative remainder or positive remainder for this question. Even if I use positive remainder for the same question, I get the same answer as 1, but the question will be lengthier. If I use positive remainder in this case, I get the same answer as 6, but the procedure will be lengthier. So always you have to save the time in the examination. Procedure is not required because it's an online examination. You have to correctly pick the option 1 for this question as 6. That's it. Yes, choosing positive remainder or negative remainder is your choice. Whichever is easier for you to complete the sum, that is your personal choice. Whichever may give you the faster answer and correct answer, choose that way. If you choose positive remainder as well as negative remainder, you will obtain always the same answer. Okay. So identifying which process will give the answer faster will save you a lot of time. That's all. Okay. Now, okay. Shall we go to the difficult level of questions then? Okay. Fine. Vikram, so this for this topic, so I cannot post the questions in the group because based on your pulse, based on the pulse of the students, I will select the questions and I will post it in the group. Okay. So after completion of this topic, I will post it in the group. You see the comment section. Okay. As of now, because based on your pulse, I will construct my own question and I will give you. Okay. Most of all the questions will be written on the board today, so no problem. Okay. 6 power 17 plus 17 power 6 whole divided by 7. What is the remainder? So you have all this problem 6 power 17 plus 17 power 6 whole divided by 7. This all this cannot be written in the word properly. That's why I am posting in the board. That's why I am writing in the board so you can see and visualize the board easily. Okay. Okay, shall we start with the question? Okay, first one. What is the first question given? 6 power 17 plus 17 power 6 divided by 7. What is the remainder? We have to find the remainder here. What is the remainder? That's the question. And just by seeing 6 power 17, 6 is a lesser number than 7. Am I right? 6 is a lesser number than 7. Will I use positive remainder or negative remainder? Obviously negative remainder. Positive remainder will be 6. So 6 power 17 divided by 7 plus 17 power 6 divided by 7. 6 divided by 7, positive remainder will be 6. What will be the negative remainder? Minus 1. So minus 1 power 17. So what will be minus 1 power 17 will be? Minus 1 power odd will be minus. Plus 17 power 6. First divide 17 by 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. What is 17 minus 14? 3. Have you understood the process? 7 minus 14. That is, and 17 is divided by 7. 7 2s are 14 by 3. Remainder is 3. So what I do is 3 power 6 whole divided by 7. You can ask me, sir, why I am not using negative remainder, sir? If I use negative remainder, I get the remainder as minus 4. 3 is a smaller number, I can do with 3 power easily. Am I right? 3 power 6 divided by 7. Now, minus whole divided, okay. This one will be what? Minus 1 divided by 7. What is minus 1 divided by 7? Whole number will be minus 1. Minus 1 plus. So we will keep this part here. We will solve only this part. Finally, we will add to this number instead of writing all the steps. Okay. So what we will do? 3 power 6 whole divided by 7. Now what I will do is, now the value 3 is lesser than 7. Now value 3 is lesser than 7. Now what I will do is, I will increase the power for 3. How to increase the power for 3? I will take 3 square. What is 3 square value? 3 square is 9. So I will write it in the format of, it is in the format of a power m the whole power n. So I will write it in the format of a power m whole power n. So take this 6 and 6 should be divided by 2. What is 6 divided by 2? 3. Have you understood the process? What is the property I have used here? A power m n is written as a power m whole power n. But you need not know the property. When 3 is smaller than 7, 3 power 6 is divided by 7. So increase the power for 3. So 3 square whole power 3. 3 square whole power 3 divided by 7. What is 3 square value? 3 square is equal to 9. 3 square is equal to 9. 9 power 3 whole divided by 7. 3 square is equal to 9. 9 power 3 whole divided by 9. What is, when 9 is divided by 7, what is the remainder? 2. When 9 is divided by 7, remainder is equal to 2. 2 power 3 divided by 7. What is 2 cube value? 2 cube is nothing but 8. 8 divided by 7. What is 2 cube? 2 cube is nothing but 8. 8 divided by 7. What is 8 divided by 7 remainder? Plus 1. So the final remainder of the entire process of this one is equal to plus 1. What is the remainder of this one? Minus 1 divided by 7. Minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1, final remainder will be 0. What is the remainder for this question will be 0. Have you understood everyone? Or should I repeat it again? If I should repeat it again, please post the comment. I'll do the same sum again so that you will understand much better. Okay? Okay. Shall I do the next question then? Okay. Someone is asking me, sir, if I take the positive remainder, please listen carefully. Someone is asking me if I take the positive remainder, minus 1, so minus 1 plus 7, remainder will be 6 they are saying. So what is 6 plus 1? What is 6 plus 1? 6 plus 1, the total number will be 7, alright? What is 6 plus 1? The total number is 7. When 7 is divided by 7, what is the remainder? Remainder is equal to 0. When 7 is divided by 7, remainder will be 0. Why? 7 ones are 7, but remainder is equal to 0. So many people are telling me answer as 7. Answer is not 7. The number is 7. Again I am telling you, answer is not 7. The number is 7. When 7 is divided by 7, till the final step you have to divide the number by 7. 7 divided by 7, what will be the remainder? Again I am telling you, minus 1 plus 7 will be 6. Here you will have 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Again 7 should be divided by 7. Alright? Again 7 should be divided by 7 because the divisor is 7. When 7 is divided by 7, what is the remainder? 0. So please post me yes if you have understood. It's 0. Still if someone has doubt as 7, I will repeat it again. Okay. Again I am telling you, after all the calculation of first part will be 6. After all the calculation, first part will be 6. You can take 6 or minus 1 is your choice. First part will be 6. Second part is equal to 1 plus 1. What is 6 plus 1? 6 plus 1 is equal to number is 7. 7 should be divided by 7. When 7 is divided by 7, remainder will be 0. 7 ones are 7, the remainder will be 0. Okay, Shall we do the next question? Okay. 3 power 87 plus 5 power 87 whole divided by 26. 3 power 87 plus 5 power 87 whole divided by 26. So someone has asked me, why are you dividing 2 times by 7? Remainder theorem in the sense, until you get the number. So what will be the positive, what will be the reminders for 7? If you divide a number by 7, if the divisor is 7, this divisor can have reminders between 0 to 6. Divisor, okay, example, when 3 is divided, okay, 3 is the divisor, 3 is divided by 5. When 5 is divided by 3, when 5 is divided by 3, so 3 ones are 3, balance is equal to 2. This is the maximum divisor. If I take 6 is divided by 3, what is 6 is divided by 3? What is 6 divided by 3? 3 2s are 6, where remainder is equal to 0. What is 7 divided by 3? 3 2s are 6, balance is equal to 1. What is 8 divided by 3? 3 2s are 6, balance is equal to 2. What is 9 divided by 3? Can you see? The remainder for 3 can be 2, 0, 1. That is nothing but the remainder of 3 can be 0, 1, 0, 1, 2. What is the remainder for previous question? Divisor is 7. So remainder can be only between 0 to 6. 7 cannot be remainder. 7 cannot be remainder. So I got the number as 7. Number 7 is divided by 7 again. 7 divided by 7, remainder is nothing but 0. Same way. 6 divided by 3, remainder 0. 9 divided by 3, remainder is 0. 3 divided by 3, remainder will be 0. 3 ones are 3, where remainder is equal to 0. Okay. So, shall we start with the question number 2? Okay. Manoj Kumar, please listen this question 100% clearly. Listen your question number 2 clearly so that you can understand what I have done in question number 1. Okay. So, shall we start with question number 2? Now, ready. So, split it into 2 parts. 3 power 87 divided by 26, that side. 5 power 87 divided by 26. Sir, why are you doing separately? Should I do it separate? Because I am teaching you for the first time. This is a difficult concept. I am teaching you very slowly. Okay? This itself is very slowly. So, once you are proficient level, just by seeing the number, only in the single step or 2-step calculation you can find the answer. That will take a lot of time. At least 2 to 3 hours of practice is required. Okay. So first we will start. Can I say 3 is a smaller number than 20? Can I say 3 is a smaller number than 26? So increase the power of 3. So increase the power of 3. So what is 3 power 1 value? 3. What is 3 square? 3 square is equal to 9. Again 9 is smaller number than 26. If I divide 9 by 26, remainder will be huge. Next one, 3 cube, 27. 3 power 1 is 3, 3 square is 9. What is 3 cube? 27. If 27 is divided by 26, what is 27 divided by 26? Remainder will be 1. I can solve the problem easily. So, you have to expand the 3 power number until you get the closest number till the divisor. Okay. Now, I have expanded. 3 cube will give me 27. So, 3 cube whole power. Now 87 should be divided by this 3 power value. That is 3 cube is there. Cube cube value. Divide 87 by 3 so that you will get whole power n. A power m whole power n. So 3 divided by 8. So 2 times. 3 2s are 6. What is the balance? 2. 27. That is 87 is divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. Balance is 27. 3 9s are 27. 0. Now I can write power 29. So have you understood the calculation how I have done? 3 power 87 is written as 3 cube the whole power 29 divided by 26. So what is 3 cube value here? 3 cube is given as 27 power 29 divided by 26. When 27 is divided by 26, what is the remainder? 1. 1 power 29 divided by 26. What is 1 power 29 value? What is 1 power 29? 1 power anything is 1. So remainder is equal to 1. Have you understood the concept, everyone? Okay. We'll go to that side. So what is here I can do it? Here I can do with this 5 power 1 is 5 lesser than 26. What is 5 square? 5 square is nothing but 25. 5 power 1 is 5. What is 5 square? 5 square is 25. When 25 is divided by 26, can I say 25 divided by 26 is negative remainder is minus 1? 25 divided by 26, negative remainder is minus 1. So I can use 5 square, I can complete the sum faster. Okay? 5 square whole power. Now what I have to do? 87 should be divided by 2. 87 should be divided by 2. 87 is divided by 2. 2, 4 times 8, again 7 is there, 3 times 6. So what is the balance? 1. So what is the power value? 43. 5 square whole power 43. What is 43 into 2? 86. That's why balance is given as 1. Write it as into 5 power 1. Into 5 power 1. If you get a remainder in the power, that is I am writing a power mn is written as a power m whole power n. In this there is an extra number. One number is missing. So write it as into a power k. So a power m n k is written as a power m into whole power n into a power k. A power m and k. Suppose it's such a big number, a power m whole power n into a power k. Okay. You know how to solve this one? Divided by 26. So 25 power, that is 5 square is 25 power 43 into 5 divided by 26. 5 square is 25. 25 divided by 26. What is 25 divided by 26? Negative remainder minus 1. Negative remainder minus 1. Why negative remainder minus 1? Because 25 minus 26 is minus 1. Minus 1 power 43. 43 is odd number or even number? Odd number. So minus 1 power odd number will be always odd. Into 5. 5 power 1. What is 5 power 1 value is 5. So minus 1 into 5 will be 5 divided by 26. So what will be the value? Minus 5 by 26. Minus 5 by 26. What is minus 5 by 26 can be written as? What is the positive remainder of minus 5 by 26? Minus 5 plus 26. So 21. So 21 here. What is the remainder here? 1. So total remainder will be, that is a plus sign. 1 plus 21. So 1 plus 21 is equal to 22. If you divide 22 by 26, can I say 22 is a smaller number than 26? 22 divided by 26. What is 22 divided by 26? Remainder is equal to 22. Because 22 is a smaller number than 26. I guess everyone has understood the problem. Am I right? Please tell me if you have understood the problem. It's a very important TCS question. Very important question. Please tell me if you don't understand this. Please post me a comment. Whatever doubt you have, please post me a comment. I am watching your comments. Okay. Someone is telling me the answer as minus 4. Someone is telling me the answer as minus 4. Can your answer be in negative? If your answer is minus 4, what I'll do? Minus 4 plus 26. What is minus 4 plus 26? Answer is 22. Someone is telling me the answer as minus 4. What is minus 4 plus 26? Answer cannot be, the final answer should be written as a positive answer. So minus 4 plus 26. What is minus 4 plus 26? Answer is 22. Someone is asking me why can't we write 5 square the whole power 44. If you write 5 square the whole power 44, 5 square, that is 2 into 44 will be 88. But the value is given as 5 power 87. It is not given as 5 power 88. If you take 5 power 88, you are solving the problem for 3 power 87 plus 5 power 88 divided by 26. So whatever question is given, based on the question I have to distribute by power. Based on the question you have to distribute the power. Okay. 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 Someone has asked me, why can't we take 5 cube the whole power 29 divided by 26? If you can take 5 cube the whole power 5 cube the whole power 29 divided by 26. The choice is yours. You can take 5 power as anything, but the final answer, if you take anything, so this is the easiest approach. If I take 5 square, I will take it as 25. If I take 25 by 26, I can solve with negative remainder minus 1 easily. If you solve with 5 cube the whole power 29 as well, you will get the answer, but you will have lot of steps to do the question. You will have many steps to come. You will have many steps to solve it, but here it will be easy. That's the difference. Yes, it can be written as 5 cube power whole power 29 as well. Choice is yours. However you distribute the power, you have to solve the problem. For me, this is the easiest way because I will not waste my time in the examination. The examiner will give me, for every TCS question, he will give me 3 minutes to solve the problem. I am explaining one single problem for more than 10 minutes. So think of how much time you will take in the examination. If you take 5 cube, if you take it as 5 cube, the problem will be lengthy. Once the problem is lengthy, you will get confused. Once you are confused, that will affect the remaining problems as well. Always we have to do with what? Easiest approach. Negative. Always try to take 1 or if the remainder is 1 or 2, we can easily solve. Even if the remainder is 3 or 4, we know the power of 1 power numbers, 2 power numbers, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube is easier, 3 power 1, 3 cube, 3 power 4 is easier. Till 5 power any remainder is easier. If you go for 6 power 4 is not difficult. 6 power 4 is 1296. People who are dealing with mathematics like us, we can remember all the values like 10 power 4 all the numbers. But for you people it will be difficult to solve the problem. That's why it's not advisable. Okay. Can I go to the next question? Okay. Fine. We'll go to the next question. So question number is 3, right? I guess the question number is 3. power 33 power 34 divided by 11. Okay. First we will see the basic question. First we will see a question like this. First we will see 2 power question. A power, that is a number power. We have seen already the same type of question. How same like our unit digit. A power, B power, C will be given. We have to solve the remainder. First we will solve for this question. 32 power 33 divided by 11. Shall we solve bit faster so that everyone can get that momentum? Okay. So what is the value is given as 32? So 11 into 2 is 22. 11 2s are 22. So positive remainder will be 10. If I take negative remainder, 11 3s are 33. 11 3s are 33. So can you say 33 is a greater number than this? 32 minus 33. What will be the negative remainder? Negative remainder will be minus 1. Have you understood the process, everyone? So when 32 is given, I take 33. 11 3s are 33. 32 minus 33, negative remainder 1. 1 power 33 divided by 11. What is minus 1 power? What is minus 1 power odd number? Minus 1. Minus 1 divided by 11. So everyone is watching the video. So please listen carefully. So 32 is given. Just by seeing 32, my mind will go for negative remainder because it is close to the next multiple of 11, 33. So I will go for negative remainder. Minus 1 whole power 33 divided by 11. What is minus 1 divided by 11? So negative remainder will be minus 1. What will be the positive remainder? Positive remainder will be minus 1 plus 11. The positive remainder is equal to 10. In your exam paper, only positive remainder will be given. This is just an approach to solve the problem. Answer is 10. Has everyone understood the problem? Everyone has understood this question? Please tell me yes. Okay, everyone has got 10. Very good. We'll go to the 3 power numbers a power, b power, c. Shall I solve the 3 power number a power, b power, c? If 3 powers are given, how to solve the remainder theorem? (32 power 33 power 34). So question is 32 power 33 whole power 34. Question is 32 power 33 whole power 34. Now same approach, how we have got the unit, same approach. Find the remainder of this part first. What we will do first? Find the remainder of 32 power 33. Find the remainder of 32 power 33. We got it already. We got it already as minus 10. But still we will solve the problem. Okay. So 32 power 33. How to solve this problem? 32 power 33 divided by 11. Am I right? 11 3s are 33. 11 3s are 33. So negative remainder will be minus 1. So minus 1 power 33 divided by 11. What is minus 1 power 33? Minus 1 by 11. So negative remainder is minus 1. If negative remainder is minus 1, directly use the next power. What is the next power? Substitute the minus 1 here. Minus 1 power 33 by 11. So minus 1 power 34. So the question will be minus 1 power 34 divided by 11. So minus 1 power even. What is minus 1 power even value? What is minus 1 power even value? Minus 1 power even, which is nothing but even number, 1 divided by 11. So final remainder will be 1. Some people can ask me, sir, 32 power 33. 32 power 33. The last question we got the remainder as 10. Am I right? The last question we got the remainder as 10. Substitute this remainder 10 and solve this problem. So 10 power 34 divided by 11. When 10 is divided by 11, what is 10 by 11 negative remainder? 10 by 11 negative remainder is minus 1. Minus 1 power 34. What is minus 1 power even? 1. 1 divided by 11. Remainder is equal to 1. I guess everyone has understood the concept. Am I clear with the concept? Everyone can do the questions. Please tell me yes, so that I will go to next difficult level of question. If you have understood, I will go to next difficult level of questions. Please post me, yes, I can understand this level of question. Please teach me next level of question. At least one person post it in the comment section. If I see it, I can proceed with the next difficult level of questions. Very important, TCS digital level, 7 lakhs package level questions. Okay, we'll see as the next question. Please tell me. Some people are saying no, some people are saying no. Shall we do the one more question in the same level? My attendance has been posted for Pratyusha College of Engineering. Attendance has been posted for Pratyusha College Engineering students. So please, Pratyusha College of Engineering students can use the attendance form which is posted in the okay. Question number 5. 29 power 31 power 109 divided by 9. Okay, those who are able to solve this question can do it. Those who can able to solve this question can do it. 29 power 31 whole power 109 divided by 9. Find the remainder. Find the remainder. Again, I am telling you, some people are asking me, so sir, you have already divided by 11, how you can divide by 11? Remainder theorem is nothing but you constantly divided, you have to constantly divide by the divisor until you get the number, until you get the remainder from 0 to 8. That is, the possible remainders of 9 is nothing but 0 to 8. Until you simplify the entire number, that is 29 power 31, which is nothing but 29 into 29 into 29 is written for 31 times. The whole number 29 power 31 is written for 109 times. That is 29 power 31, 29 power 31, 29 power 31 is written for 109 times. Such a big number we cannot even calculate. That big number is divided by 9. What will be the possible remainder from 0 to 8? That's what we are solving. Constantly you have to use the divisor. It's not division, it's nothing but remainder theorem. Remainder theorem in the sense you have to use the divisor until you get this value between 0 or 8. If the divisor is 11, we will get remainders between 0 and 10. We will get remainder between 0 and 10. Okay. Is everyone is ready? Shall we start with the class then? So 29 power 31 whole power 109. 29 power 31 whole power 109 divided by 9. First what we will do? 29 power 31 divided by 9. So when 29 power 31 divided by 9, what will be the remainder? 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. What will be the balance? Balance will be 2. Positive remainder is 2. 2 power 31 divided by 9. So what I am doing here is 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. Balance is 2. Positive remainder is 2. 2 power 31 divided by 9. Now 2 is a smaller value than 9. So what I will do is 2 power 1 is 2. 2 square is 4. What about 2 cube? 2 cube is 8. What is 8 divided by 9? Negative remainder will be minus 1. So if I make it as 2 cube, my problem will be completed just in another one step. Okay. So what I will do is 2 power 3, that is 2 power 3 whole power 31 is divided by 3. When 31 is divided by 3 10 times, what will be the balance? Balance will be 1 into 2 power 1. When 31 is divided by 3, 3 tens are 30. What will be the balance? 1 into 2 power 1. So 2 power 30 into 2 power 1. So a power m into a power n is nothing but a power m plus n. Total will be 31 divided by 9. Now what I am getting here? So 2 power 2 cube is nothing but 8. 8 power 10 into 2 divided by 9. What is 8 divided by 9? When 8 is a smaller number than 9. So 8 minus 9. What is 8 minus 9? Negative remainder is minus 1. Minus 1 whole power 10. What is minus 1 whole power 10? Even number. Minus 1 whole power 10. Minus 1 whole power 10 is even number. 1. 1 into 2 by 9. So remainder will be 2. Remainder will be 2. Have you got the process, everyone? So what I am doing? 29 power 31 divided by 9. So 9 3s are 27. Balance is 2. 2 power 31 by 9. Expand the power of 3. Expand the power of 2. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 square is 4. 2 cube is 8. If I take 8 as the number, 8 divided by 9, remainder will be minus 1. I can solve the problem. So just by doing the process, you will get the final remainder as 2. Now what I do here, this entire thing will be replaced with remainder as 2. 2 power 109 divided by 9. 2 power 29 power 31 is replaced with the remainder 2. 2 power 109 divided by 9. I can write this as same. I can use the same rule. If 2 cube is taken, when divided by 9, it will become 8 and we can easily make it as remainder as minus 1. 2 cube whole power 109 is divided by 3. When 10 is divided by 3, 3 times. 3 3s are 9. Balance will be 1. So 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18 into 2 power 1. 109 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. Balance 1 9. 3 6 are 18. Balance is 1. So quotient is 36. That's why it is 36. Remainder is 1 into 2 power 1. Whole divided by 9. So 8 power 36. 8 power 36 divided by 9 into 2 power 1. So this is minus 1 power 36. What is 8 divided by 30? 8 divided by 9. Minus 1 power 36. Minus 1 whole power 36. What is minus 1 power even? Plus 1. Minus 1 power even plus 1. This is plus 1 into 2 divided by 9. What is 1 into 2 divided by 9? This is plus 1. So minus 1 power 36. What is minus 1 power even number? 1 plus 1. 1 into 2 is 2 divided by 9. What is 2 divided by 9? Final remainder. Final remainder is equal to 2. So most of the people have told me the right answer. Very good. So such a difficult question, maximum people have tried to answer me the correct problem. Lengthiest, but if you solve 1000 out of 1000 or 2000 people writing, you will be one among 100 people or 50 people who are doing the sum correctly. It will not be. If 100 people are writing, only 10 or 20% of the people can get the correct answer. Even 90% of the people will fail due to the peer pressure of the examination. If you practice well, it is really easy. If you don't practice, if you take it lethargically, you will any point of time you will lose it in the examination. Please be careful. Do it correctly. Please do practice more number of questions. Okay. Okay. So I am giving you 2 questions for your practice. Check if you are able to do the question properly. Okay. So I am giving the same question for your practice. Check if you are able to do the same question. Okay. Try to give the answer for two questions. Please post the answer for question number 1 and question number 2. So for first question, many people have told me the right answer. 1 is 5. Very good. For first question, many people have told, Ma, for first question, Vishnu, answer is not -1. If you get the answer as -1, what we should do? -1 plus 6. What is -1 plus 6? Answer will be 5. 5 will be the options which will be given. -1 is the correct approach. Make -1 to the right answer by adding the divisor. -1 plus 6 will give you correct answer as 5. Ma, some people, Sai Kira is also saying as answer as -1. Please change the answer to +5. If the negative remainder is -1, what we should do? -1 plus 6. What is -1 plus 6? Answer will be 5. Okay. Second question is 2. Everyone is getting the answer. Answer for second question as 2. Okay. Now attendance will be posted now. So those have not given the attendance from the first, you can utilize this time. So my team will post the attendance now. You can utilize this time. Okay. Okay. So first one answer is 5, second one answer is 2. Everyone has got the right answer? 5. Sir, can you explain second one? Okay. 44 power 424 divided by 7. Now 7 6 are 42. Balance will be 2. 2 power 424 divided by 7. What I am doing is 44 is divided by 7. When 44 is divided by 7, what will be the remainder? Remainder will be 2. 2 power 424 divided by 7. Now I will write it as 2 power 1 is 2, 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8. When 8 is divided by 7, positive remainder is 1. So 2 cube whole power, divide this 424 by 3. 1 time, balance will be 1. 4. Balance will be 1 into 2 power 1 divided by 7. That is 424 is divided by 3. When 424 is divided by 3, 141 will be the quotient, remainder will be 1 into 2 power 1. So 8 power 141 into 2 divided by 7. When 8 is divided by 7, when 8 is divided by 7, what is the remainder? 1. 1 power 141 into 2 divided by 7. What is 1 power 141 value? 1. I will write the step here. 1 power 141 is 1. 1 into 2 divided by 7. What is 1 into 2? 2 by 7. What is 2 by 7? Remainder is equal to 2. Okay. Okay. I have given you 2 questions. So please see. Sir, please explain first one also. Okay. What is the first question I have given? 59 power some number divided by 6, I guess. So what is the first question? Someone post me the first question in the comment. Someone post me the question number 1 in the comment. 59 power some question. Please post me in the comment. What was the power value I have given to you? Someone post it as a comment. What is the power value? What is the power value I have given to you? 89. Thank you. So 59 power 89 divided by 6. So what is 6 into 10? 6 into 10 is 60. 6 into 10 is 60. So 59 minus 60. What is 59 minus 60? Remainder will be minus 1. 59 minus 60. Remainder will be minus 1. 6 tens are 60. So minus 1 whole power 89 divided by 6. What is minus 1 power odd number? Minus 1 by 6. What is minus? If the remainder is minus 1, how to make it as positive? Minus 1, add the divisor, plus 6. So what is minus 1 plus 6? Remainder is equal to 5. Okay. We will see some new set of questions. Please look at the board. Please look at it. I have posted some new type of questions for you people. First question is being given, followed by the second question. Okay. Okay. Everyone everyone knows the divisibility rule of 9. Am I right? Everyone knows divisibility rule of 9. So you should do divisibility rule of 9, not like adding the numbers like how I have taught you. Am I right? Not like adding the numbers like how I have taught you. Please see here. When 36 is divided by 9, what is 3 plus 6? 9 is cancelled. So when 36 is divided by 9, what is the remainder? What is 3 plus 6? 9. What is the remainder? 0. If 37 is given to you people, don't divide by 9. Don't divide by 9. 4s are 36. Remainder is 1. Don't do it like this. How to do it? 3 plus 7 is 10. Eliminate 9. What will be the balance? 1. 7, 2, 4, 5, 7, 4. Such a big number is given. What is 7 plus 2? 9. What is 4 plus 5? 9. What is 7 plus 4? 11. Eliminate 9. What is 11 minus 9? Balance is 2. Remainder is equal to 2. This is the speciality case which will work for only divisibility rule of 3 or divisibility rule of 9. Without finding the remainder, just by using the divisibility rule, you can find the remainder directly. Only for which table? Divisibility rule of 3 and 9 by striking the numbers. Divisibility rule of 3 and 9 just by striking the numbers. Okay. Shall we go to the first question then? Okay. What is the first question which is being posted? 123 into 124 into 125 divided by 9. So 123 into 124 into 125 divided by 9. Here you cancel now. Can I get any 9 here? I don't get 9. 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is equal to 6. Remainder is 6. 1 plus 2 plus 4. Remainder is 7. Next, 1 plus 2 plus 5. Remainder is 8. Remainder is 6. Remainder is 7. Remainder is 8. Now what is the symbol is used? Product. So multiply here. Now what is 6 into 7? 6 into 7. 6 into 7 is 42. What is 6 into 7? 6 7s are 42. How to find? When 42 is divided by 7, how to find the remainder? So 42. 9 4s are 36. 42 minus 36. Remainder is 6. Same way. 4 plus 2. What is 4 plus 2? I don't have a 9. Directly remainder is 6. So remaining number is only this. I have used this number. 6 into 8. What is 6 into 8? 6 into 8, which is nothing but 48. When 48 is divided by 9, how we will calculate normally? 9 5s are 45. 48 minus 45, remainder is 3. Or how to use it with shortcut? What is 4 plus 8? 12. 4 plus 8 is 12. So in 12 subtract 9, what will be the balance? 3. So final remainder is equal to 3. Have you understood the logic, everyone? Have you understood the logic? Have you understood the logic, everyone? Question number 2. What is question number 2 is given? 8, 8, 8, 8, 8 is repeated for how many times? 63 times. And it should be divided by 9, find the remainder. Remainder is equal to what? So 8, 8, 8, 8, 8 is divided by 6, is repeated for 63 times. 8, 8, 8, 8 is there for 63 8s are there, divided by 9, what is the remainder? Now, what I will do is, I will take 8 commonly outside. I will take 8 commonly outside. Can I write it as 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 is there for how many times? 63 times, divided by 9. If you take 8 outside, if you take an 8 outside, 1 will be there for how many times? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 will be there for 63 times. If you add all the ones for 63 times, what will be the number? The number will be 63. Can I say 63 is divisible? What is 6 plus 3? 6 plus 3, 9. Remainder is equal to 0. 0 into 8. 0 into 8 is equal to 0. What is 0 by 9 remainder? 0. So what is the process we are doing here? So 8 is there, take 8 commonly outside, 1, 1, 1 is there for how many times? 63 times. If we add all the ones, total is 63. What is 6 plus 3? 9. Cancel, remainder is 0. 0 into 8, 0. 0 divided by 9, remainder is 0. Okay. So everyone, tell me the answer for question number 3. So very important question. Question number 3. Most of the people started telling me the answer. Tell me the answer for question number 3. Okay. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 dot 300 times divided by 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 is there for 300 times, which is divided by 9. What is the remainder? So 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 is there for 300 times. When divided by 9, what is the remainder? That's the question. Am I right? Now, so I have to cancel number of 9s. So how many, the same sequence is repeating till 300 digits. If you add 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. I can cancel the number. So if you take 6 number of digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you take 6 number of digits, you can cancel the number called 9. It will give you 9. 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9. You got the number. You can cancel the number. Again, if you take 6 numbers, you can cancel 9. Can I say 300? 300 terms are there. Can I say 300 is a multiple of 6? Obviously, yes. 300 divided by 6, which is nothing but 50. 50 sets of these numbers are there. Everything is cancelled. Instead of 300, all the numbers will be cancelled. So the remainder is equal to 0. Suppose instead of 300, if I give you the value as 302, 302 times in the very same question, if I give the value as instead of the same question 302, what will be the remainder? If I give you as 302, what will be the remainder? For the same question, if I give you the remainder as 302, what will be the remainder? Some people are telling me the correct answer, some people are giving me the wrong answer. Okay, let me explain ma. Okay ma, please ma. Some people are telling me the wrong answer, so please wait. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 dot 302 times. Okay, divided by 9. If I take 6 terms, I will get 9. Am I right? 6 terms. 3 6 9. 3 6 9. I get 3 plus 3 plus 3. I will get 9. So if I take 6 terms, I can cancel. So what in this case of sum, what you have to do is you have to divide this value. So how many terms is giving you 9? 6 terms is giving you 9. 6 terms is giving you 9. Divide 302 by 6. 302 is divided by 6. So what will be the value? 5 times 30. Now what will be the balance? Or 0 0. You can take directly. 300 times 50 times. So what will be the final remainder? Final remainder is 2. Remainder 2 denotes you have 2 digits in the last. Remainder. Have you understood the process? Remainder 2 denotes you have 2 extra digits. All the 50 digits are getting cancelled. All the 60 digits. If I take 6 digits, is there for 50 times. All the 6 digits will get cancelled, which is there for 50 times. How many digits are extra? 2 digits are extra. If 2 digits are present, what is the value of 2 digits? That is, all the digits will get cancelled. Finally, you will have a number 1 and 2. What is 1 plus 2 value? 1 plus 2. If 2 is there, you have to take 2 digits. What is the value of 2 digits? 1 plus 2. What is 1 plus 2? 3. So, when 3 is divided by 9, remainder is equal to 3. 3 is the correct answer. Most of the people have got till 2. 2 in the sense what? You have to take 2 digits. Add the value of the digits. What is 1 plus 2? 3. 3 divided by 9, answer is 3. What is the answer is 304 times. In the very same question, if it is instead of 304, if it is given as 302, instead of 302, if it is given as 304 times, 304 times, what will be the answer? I will have 4 extra. 4 extra in the sense 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6 will be my answer. 6 by 9, my answer will be 6. Okay. Let me see how many people can answer this problem based on factorial. Find the remainder of the expression 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial dot dot dot, that is 4 factorial plus 5 factorial 6 factorial dot 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 till 2400 factorial is divided by 5. The question is, I'll write it on the board so that you will understand the question. 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial plus dot 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 dot, that is 5 factorial 6 factorial dot 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 plus 2400 factorial is divided by 5. What is the remainder? Chandra Reddy, the question has been posted already. So please look at your screen box. So your live text box is being posted. Find the remainder of the expression 1 factorial plus 2 factorial dot 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 till 2000 factorial is divided by 5. Okay, someone asked me life of me is the name. 12 is multiplied for 302 times, sir. Then how can we take 1 comma 2 separately? Nothing like that, ma. So it's nothing but collection of, okay. In the same previous question, you don't have 300 digits. Let me take, you have only 8 number of digits. In the previous question, you have only 8 number of digits. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Only 8 digits. Where 8 digits is similar to same 302 digits, same. If I take 6 digits here, okay, total number of digits are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many digits will give me 9? So 6 digits will give me 9. Am I right? 6 digits will give me 9. Now what I will do is total number of digits is equal to 8 digits. So I will divide 8 by 6. 8 is divided by 6. When 8 is divided by 6, 6 ones are 6. So our balance is equal to 2. Remainder is 2. Which means what? Quotient is 1. The entire 1 set is completely divisible. If quotient is 100, suppose 100 sets are there. All the 100 sets will be divisible because 6 numbers will give 100. 6 digits are present for 100 times. All the 100 sets will get cancelled. Remainder is 2. Remainder is 2 in the sense last 2 digits are remaining in the series. Last 2 digits, what is the value? 1 plus 2. What is 1 plus 2 value? 3. So when 3 is divided by 9, remainder is equal to 3. Okay. Anyone has got the answer for this question? Factorial question. Anyone solve this question? Okay. Fine. 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial dot till 2500 400 factorial. Yesterday itself we have seen if a number has 5, when the number is divided by 5 factorial. So let me see all the numbers. Let me have 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial. Let me have all the numbers. So we will take from 5 factorial. Since divisor is 5, we will take from 5 factorial. What will 5 factorial will give me? 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into, that is 5 factorial is written as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 5. What is 5 by 5 remainder? 0. What is 0 into all the numbers will give you? Remainder as 0. What if it is 6 factorial? 6 factorial can be written as 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into divided by 5. Again, what is 5 by 5 remainder? 0. What is 0 into all the other numbers? 0. So it inversely means that any number above 5 factorial will give us 0. Any number above 5 factorial will give us the remainder as 0. What are the numbers which will not give us 0? 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial. Because I don't have a number called 5 in 4 factorial. I don't have a number called 5 in 4 factorial. 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 5. I cannot divide 5 by 4. Am I right? That's why what I will do, I will multiply all the numbers. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is nothing but 24. 4 factorial is 24. So add all the values. So what is the value of 1 factorial? 1 factorial is 1. What is 2 factorial? 2. What is 3 factorial? 6. What is 4 factorial? 24 divided by 5. What is 5 fact? Add all the values. 24 plus 1, 25. 24 plus 1, 25. When 25 is divided by 5, remainder is 0. 24 plus 1, 25, remainder is 0. What is 6 plus 2? 6 plus 2 is 8. When 8 is divided by 5, what is 8 is divided by 5? Final remainder. 5 ones are 5. So remainder is equal to 3. Some people have told me the correct answer. Very good. So if you want, you can add all the numbers as well now. 24 plus 6 is 30, 32, 24, 30, 32, 33. 33 divided by 5. What is 33 divided by 5? 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. So remainder is equal to 3. Both are same. So any factorial sum which is given, can you apply the same logic and you can find the answer? If I give you the divisor as 7, what you will do? If I give you the divisor as 7, the divisor is given as 7, eliminate all the numbers from 7 factorial and all the numbers. Eliminate all the numbers from 7 factorial to the largest number which is given. Calculate the value from 1 factorial to 6 factorial, divide by 7 and find the remainder. Suppose if the divisor is given as 7, in this question it is given as 5. If it is given as 7, what you will do? 7 and above, all the numbers will become 0, 1 to 6. Add all the value of 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial, 6 factorial, divide by 7 and find the answer. Okay? Fine. That's all. So that's all is the remainder theorem. So remainder theorem based on word problems. These are called word problems. The first thing, whatever we have seen, power a, power b, that is 32, power 34, power 37 divided by 11. All these numbers are problem based. These are word based. Both concepts will be asked in various examination. Prepare both the concepts. We'll go to the next concept now. We'll go to the next concept. What is the next concept is? Factorial factorial based problems. Okay, first question. So what are the questions given? Factorial based problems. I'll send you the questions. Okay. Many people are saying we will continue in the next class. Someone is asking me, Vikram Yadav is asking me if it is divided by 24. So, what are the numbers which will give you 24? When that number is divided by 24, he is asking. So, what if it is divided by 24, sir? He is asking. 24 is made up of what are the numbers? 24 is made up of, so 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. So, which is nothing but 2 power 3 into 2 power 3 into 3. Alright? 2 power 3 into 3 power 1. 2 power 3 into 3 power 1. Can I say 4 factorial? Can I say 4 factorial will give you 24? Can I say 4 factorial will give you 24? How I can write 4 factorial? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. How I can write my 4? 2 square into 3 power 1 into 2 power 1. I can write this number as 2 cube into 3 power 1. So, any value, composite number, if the composite number is given, so if prime number is given, you will choose the respective prime number and you will cancel. If divisor is given as 5, you will cancel all the numbers from 5 to all the maximum number. 7 is given, you will cancel all the numbers. If 24 is a composite number, what are the factors of 24? 2 power 3 into 3 power 1. Value will get minimum 2 power 3 into 3 power 1 is 4 factorial. So, cancel all the numbers from 4 factorial to 4 factorial to the maximum number. If 5 factorial is given, 5 factorial I can write it as 24 into 5. Am I right? 24 into 5 is 120, which is nothing but 4 factorial into 5 will get 4 factorial into 5 will give me 5 factorial. So same 24 is given as 4 factorial is replaced with 24. 24 into 5 will give you as 24 into 5 will give you as 5 factorial. Even 5 factorial will be cancelled. 24 by 24 remainder will be 0. So all the numbers from 4 factorial to greater number will be cancelled. I guess Vikram has understood this concept. Am I right? Okay. Okay, someone has to. Okay, most of the people are telling me. So we'll do it tomorrow. Vikram, have you understood the concept? That is 8 into 3. What is 8 into 3? That is I have written as 8 into 3. 8 into 3 is 24, which is nothing but 2 cube into 3 power 1. Where I get 2 cube into 3 power 1 is the minimum number is 4 factorial. 4 factorial will give me 2 power 3 into 3 power 1. I will get 24. All the numbers can be cancelled easily. Okay. So most of the people are saying let's wind up the session. Okay. Fine. Factorial based on numbers is a very important problem. We have to see it tomorrow. Okay. So you plan accordingly. If you want morning, we will plan accordingly. No problem. So what we will do is I will try to post it as a video, normal video in YouTube. You can watch it, or in tomorrow's live I will teach you. So what you have to do today, I will send you a few questions in your WhatsApp. Please practice all the questions in the remainder theorem. Please practice all the questions in the remainder theorem. I will post you the answer key. If you are able to get at least 70 or 80% of the answers correctly, you can easily clear, you can easily improve day by day. Okay, if you are getting 100% well and good, at least for one day, at least for today you have to get 70. Then it will gradually go to 80, 90, 10. First you will do 7 out of 10 problems correctly, then 8 out of 10, then 9 out of 10. After doing for all 3 hours, you will do all 10 out of 10 correctly. But start practicing. If you don't practice, entire remainder theorem will be gone. Again, whoever is teaching will teach you with concepts, logics and everything, waste of time. So please make sure you prepare well everyone. All the best. Have a good weekend. Okay. Thank you everyone. Bye everyone. Bye. Take care. Bye. Thank you. Okay. So Yoga Suresh, you can see this. You are asking me a question 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dot till 100 factorial. That is such a big number you are asking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 till 100. So last three digits are 100 factorial. Finding non-zero digit. For a non-zero digit, we don't need all these numbers. We need only the last three numbers. What are the last three numbers? Last three numbers is nothing but 100. So we need only the last three numbers. So last three numbers can be written as 100 factorial. Values non-zero digit is equal to the non-zero digit of this all these numbers is equal to both are equal. So now how I write it non-zero digit in the sense 8 power. 8 power, what is the first two values? 10. 8 power 10 into 0 factorial. What is 8 power 10? What is the previous value of 10? 8. 4 table. 4 twos are 8. Okay. So 4 table 8. What is the balance? Balance is 2. So 8 square into what is 0 factorial? 1. So 8 square can be written as 64. While unit digit is 4. 4 into 1. 4 into 1 is 4. Have you understood the process? So very simple. So again, if any number is given, any number 1 to 1000, 1 to 1 lakh, anything, we need only the last three numbers. What is the last three numbers? 100. So 100 factorial. Take 100 factorial. So 8 power 100 factorial, that is 8 power 10 into 0 factorial. What is 10? Previous number is 8, remainder is 2. So 8 square into 1. So 8 square is nothing but 64, where unit digit is 4. 4 into 1 is 4. So final answer will be 4. I guess you have understood. Yoga Suresh, your doubt has been cleared, right? So whatever doubts you have, please post me after the class. I will be watching your doubts. After completing all the questions, whatever doubts you have in the previous questions, post it. Last 10 or 15 minutes, we will do doubt clarification daily. Thank you so much. If you have any other doubt, anyone else has other doubts, please post me, I will do it. Okay? Please let me know. Okay, thank you everyone. I guess no more doubts are there. Okay, we'll wind up then. Thank you all. Okay, bye now. Thank you.